Now, when we start to become protein deficient, and if you can't put these proteins together and they can't fold properly, they survive. I mean, it's just a way to think. You can survive without glucose, right? Carbohydrates. Your body has a
Yep.
way. You can survive without fat. People,
Mhm.
but take away.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the Kidney Coach YouTube channel. I am naturopath Fiona Chin, co-founder of the Kidney Disease Solution, kidney coach, and of course our supplements Kaigenesis. And today I'm joined by Dr. Rick Cohen. So Dr. Rick Cohen, we've not had on our podcast before. I was blessed to meet him a month or so ago, and I was so impressed by his knowledge that I said, you've got to come on our podcast. So he's a physician and functional medicine doctor with over 20 years of experience in the medical field. And he actually founded the company called Ignite Longevity, which provides personalized assessments and integrative interventions to help people take a comprehensive approach to living longer and healthier lives. So he has a real focus on longevity and inside the longevity space as well. He has dedicated his career to the treatment and prevention of lifestyle and metabolic related diseases, hence why he has some knowledge and skills when it comes to kidney disease. His goal is to help his patients unlock the keys to achieving optimal metabolic health.
If we become protein deficient, you can see what happens, right? So if proteins are the foundation of our house, it's the heating system, it's our protective system. Now, when we start to become protein deficient, or really amino acid deficient, we become amino acid deficient, we can't build things in the way we want to. And if you can't put these proteins together and they can't fold properly, then your function begins to decline. And it affects us in a whole variety of different ways. One of the you can survive. I mean, it's just a way to think. You can survive without glucose, right? Carbohydrates. Your body has a way. You can survive without fat. People, but take away all protein. Just eat fruit, or you're going to be. Yeah, I'm thinking in the back of my head. Oh, there's fruitarians. It's like, no, I'm sorry. They're going to have an issue at some point. Something's going to break down. We can't survive without the foundation of protein. So, or amino acids. So hopefully that is a first understanding of protein really is a Lego of amino acids that we need to unpack and re-put together for the body.
Yeah, and it's fascinating because, as you said, we don't need it for energy, but we need it to build every cell, from our immune system to replacing skin cells to replacing whatever it is. Like, it's the foundation of every tissue in the body is these amino acids. So it is really, really important. So protein really is, as you said, a delivery system for the amino acids. It's the amino acids that are super important. We'll get Dr. Cohen back to do those conversations, but anything you want to know in the meantime, drop in the comments below. Remember to hit subscribe and like. That way you'll get notified when we do another podcast with this amazing man. Thank you for being part of our community. And Dr. Cohen, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it, and your knowledge, and I can't wait to have more conversations with you.
Well, thank you, Fiona.
No worries. Thanks, everybody. Bye.